Well, boss, we got data 2 minutes. Go for a rip now.
Oh, we gotta bring that up.
It ain't my fault.
Okay.
He's here, gonna take.
We gotta go to his house. And then we gotta raise her up and then put it up. Hey, we lay it all on your shed? Yeah. Alright, do it.
Just a rush.
Hey, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we just arrived to call it shed. Here's his bike. Just 230. Yeah.
Came back over.
You're not the only one that comes back over. You soon gonna look like yours. I cut that off.
Yeah, man, that looked pretty nice.
What the hell's your solar panel?
Oh,
Where's that big shaft that goes through?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this one gets to oil.
Lance, your finger.
85W140.
Not bad.
Oh,
That's for
Oh man, it is too.
God.
Oh, found it.
Oh, right there. Side panel.
Huh?
Oh, I only got one nut. I don't have.
It's all we got one
I
nut.
got one nut too. It's nothing.
We gotta lift her up further.
It's nothing.
Oh, what's
What happened to all you? Let clutch out and went through there.
No, Carl got mad and punched it.
When?
Like 5 to 10 years ago.
That makes sense.
5-10 years ago. It's nutting.
It was a long time ago.
That's not where that cycle girl go. I heard about her all the time, eh? Straight cycle.
Who's that?
Get her.
Oh.
The one that's racing. It's hard to bring over.
Yeah, I know. Man, she tears on that bike.
Ooh.
Ginevra.
Don't you?
Hey, she almost hooked into the pavement there, boy.
Alright, let's get this done now, boys.
Hey, Smokey, how much harder it should be?
Put her up on one of these.
Okay.
Yeah, oh man.
Yes.
No, it's too high.
John?
Yeah. And he's not. If we
Put on this one by.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, it looks like this is zoomed in all the time. I gotta back around up.
Hey, someone on the phone first.
Hey, Mason, come kick this thing up.
Alright, I'll give her.
Hold that.
Whoa. He's going to the side.
Yeah, he's put
Where's your
her
muffler?
Bottom the school pit.
behind the school pit.
Yeah, on the bottom
You
of
give
the
her a
school
little
pit.
start?
No.
She's recent.
Straight pipe.
So you're gonna straight pipe her?
Yep. You used her all last year?
Did you really?
You didn't know this?
Wet as fuck. Did you hear me up over the fucking high road? Woo!
There it is. A straight pipe. Oh
Hey, you got a
God.
booster? You got little cables?
I don't know what the fucking.
Boy, just started.
This thing?
No, that's the what's it called?
That boost is it?
No,
Starting to look like a bike now.
Charger just charges it off. Okay. You get that on the look for the.
Probably bad lighting, I'm not sure, but who cares?
You know.
Look for the.
You know.
Change
Okay,
the
we just got
rules,
shaft.
Oh yeah, never mind.
Oh my God,
You're so stupid.
man, that
I don't
chain looks
think-
like so heavy duty.
It is.
I'm on my 5th one.
This is his first one, I think.
Yeah.
I'm on near one. Still got mine.
You is this in gear?
No, because she was ranking over.
Yo, this shit was in gear.
Okay, what?
Yeah. See, this is our mechanic, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Spunky.
You want me to wash?
Yeah. Hey, no last name. Identity.
Identity fraud.
Yeah.
What number you have it on?
Yeah, it's
Oh, I
Michaela
don't have
Walsh.
none of it. Hold on. I'm just trying to get wrenches for this. Wrenches for this.
Sorry, boy. Oh, you got. Oh my.
He come back
Came back over.
I want to see this thing start.
Oh, it's
Wrenches for
fucking.
this.
Cold start.
Come on.
Haven't started in the year.
Come on.
Back
Wrenches.
tire purposes.
Chop chop.
Oh yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's your boy.
Hey, what kind of motorcycle is this, boys?
900 cows on the Vulcan.
Really?
Yeah. I got one in the back of the shed.
Just on phone. Just show them.
We're gonna do a reveal.
Oh,
we're gonna do a
But
reveal.
at age 14, man.
Wait.
Okay, go.
I ain't doing it with this one.
Or not? Ooh.
But at age 14,
That's a nice blue, bud.
You should see one in the back. And 4 straight pipes on the bottom of it.
That's
John
nice.
Deere. Yee.
It's Kawasaki, bud.
I know, Dr. P.
Oh, it's so shiny. 900.
Yeah, she's quiet as fuck, though.
Yeah, I'd say. Yeah.
I've seen prints for her now.
What is that?
Oh,
Andrew!
What is that? Is that Andrew?
I can't go on past the fuck. I'm not gonna.
She's lame.
Dang! Taking a piss.